Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and I've been so inspired by Molly over at Molly's Artistry with her, a rainbow wave, and I thought that I might do one inspired by that, but just a tad different in colours, that is. So you see before you a 12 by 16 inch or 30 by 40 centimetre canvas to which I've added some black paint, and I have gold, white, silver and midnight blue, and I'm going to do a nighttime wave. So first up I just want to get my wave and come across like that. Okay, where's my, there we are. So that's where the wave will go. And I'm going to have a slurp of my coffee, which is now lukewarm. Actually, it's not even lukewarm, it's tepid. Okay, so I think the first colours that I might put, or colour that I might put on, is the white, and it's in this humongous container. Let me have a look. I can't really hold those containers, they're too big. Okay, I'll just tip this white into this smaller cup. That's enough, I don't need a heap, I don't think. Go back for more later. Those bigger containers, I can't hold them, I drop them. Because I do. Oops. Alright, so there's the white. I think the next might be the gold. There's no silicone in any of these colours. Just in over the edge. Yep. And some silver. More silver here, I think. And then my blue. Maybe a little bit of blue. Just in there. Okay, so getting rid of the colours out of the way. And I will plug in my hairdryer. Around to get that bit there. Oh, no, I'll do it this way. Okay, whoa, where's my pipe? I have a little piece of plastic piping. Did it blow away? I wouldn't be a bit surprised. Not my day today for this sort of thing. Oh, I don't know where I put it. Alright, well I'll use a knife. Can't beat me. Oh, here it is. Didn't think I'd lost it. So I'm going just where I think the colours had not sort of waved off, if that's a good word for it. Whoa. I do like. Actually, I think I need a little bit of black here just to blow that up a bit more. We'll see how that works. I like it. Alright, I'm going to leave this and just cover these little bits here that I think I put my arm, which I did. Grubby person, grubby. Just make sure there's plenty on there now. Check my corners. You want a little bit more, don't you? And you do too. And I think these corners should be right, since I didn't go near them. Right. Just because I can have this glue on there to put it on. Alright. So I'm going to just wipe my hands on a piece of towel, and then I'm going to give it a little torch, and I'm going to bring you down to check this one out. It's really good. And once it dries and that silver and gold start to sparkle, it'll really show off. Oh, stop it. Well, I didn't put any silicone in there, so I'd say on the cells that have started to pop up are probably from the Floetrol, which, you know, that's okay. Just bringing these around a little bit for wispy bits. Put a bit of movement in there. Oh yes, that's really pretty. So I'm bringing you down to have a look. The recipes for the paints and pouring medium below show more under this video. There's a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. You're more than welcome to come there and join us. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put up more videos. See the little cells? They look alright. They look like a bit of froth and bubble. You find those in waves. There's not a lot of them. And there's my fluffy white bits you find on waves. And that's the turnover of the wave. It's really pretty. I like this one. So I hope you've enjoyed this. Please give it the thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.